Okay, you guys, I'm about to let you in on my number one secret when it comes to having thicker, fuller looking hair. Now, if you haven't heard of Strand Builder already, don't worry, I've got you. Strand Builder is pretty cool. It's really easy to use and it actually rebuilds your hair with natural keratin fibers that are designed to statically cling to existing hair. What it does is it builds each strand for thicker, fuller looking hair. Okay, so here's what you do. I'm gonna use this applicator and I'm going to just sprinkle it wherever I have thinning hair on my hairline. So today I'm going to go ahead and I'm gonna apply it here where I have a little bit of thinning and then also right here as well. Other thing to keep in mind is that the Strand Builder kit comes with everything that you need to apply this to your hair. So you're gonna get the hair building fibers, the applicator, this hairline optimizer, and you use this, and I'll show you in just a minute, to make sure that it is a natural looking hairline when you're done. And you're also gonna get the fiber hold spray, and what I love about this is it makes sure that it stays in your hair all day long until you're ready to wash it out. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the hairline optimizer right here, and as you can see, that way it'll give me a really natural looking hairline when I'm done applying. Okay, so I wanna show you already the major difference. So it looks really subtle here, right? But when you compare it to the other side, look at that. Look at the difference. So wearing your hair up, you'll be able to do it more confidently because your hairline will definitely look fuller. Just take a minute to look at the difference in my hairline. So the last step is to make sure that you use the fiber hold spray, and this is what's gonna make sure that it sets and it stays all day. And just like that, I have a full and beautiful hairline. Strand Builder also offers a 10% discount when you subscribe, so make sure that you go subscribe and start saving today.